Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 22nd day of September 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So here's the setup. Again, it's slow movement today. I don't expect the next candle to be between 25 and 40 ticks. So we're going to pair our ATM to the velocity. We're going to go for 11s, 21s, and 41s. Maybe a bit stretched, but this is what happened when we did that. So we're just waiting for a pullback. We'll put our trade on the top of the body of the candle. We'll go long. You can see we're in all-time highs already. So we're going to buy, use a limit order and buy it, wait for the pullback, and go from there. So this is how it went down. And again, we'll go regular speed of the market until we get picked up in the trade. So wait for the push down. And once that happens, maybe I can speed up a little bit just to wait for that. There we go. All right, now we just wait to get picked up. There we go. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. And then we wait for our first target to get hit. When the first target gets hit, we'll de-risk the trade completely, and we'll try and hit our runners. So here we go. The setup is the strong candle, as with the strong candle indicator that we have here. We took this one and this one as well, but we can only have one trade of the day, and this is the one it's going to be. So you can see our first two targets are out. And we're going to try and go for the 40 ticker, 10, 20, 30, 40s. It's a big ask for a market that was really slow today. So there we go. Got done, got hit. That trade took all of less than 2.5 minutes and was worth 425 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 425 US dollars in 2.5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless.